How's it going? This is Davor from Derokki. In this video we're going to talk about converting CMS dates into Arabic. And so I'll show you right away inside of our RTLflow Styleguide we have an attribute solution that you can use. And let's go to the RTLflow elements page. And you can see there that our first attribute is rf Arabic date is date. So this is a JavaScript that automatically converts your CMS date. If I go into global styles and you go to attributes, you can see it right here. So I will copy this into a new tab and then you can see what this does. And so what happens is when you apply the attribute based on this format, so I've built this attribute based on this date format. If you want to have a different format, then you have to rewrite the code. But essentially what the code does is it checks the document and it checks if the language is set to Arabic, right? So if inside Webflow, under the settings here, if the local is set to AR or any variation of AR, then the attribute will play. And it checks essentially if the language is set to AR, then it will check all elements and whether one of them has the attribute applied, and then it will run through this script and it will change the numbers and the whole code. Basically just make sure the date is converted to Arabic, including numerals and months. And you can rewrite this code if you want to have a different format, but this is essentially the start, which I've been using for almost all projects. You can use ChatGPT to rewrite this a little bit. But yeah, let me show you how this works in practice. So if we go to the home page, I have a little block set up here. And so if we have a date like this, I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to add the attribute rf Arabic date is date. And then I publish. And now, as you can see, the date has been converted to Arabic. And so a very simple solution. There's another post right here in the forum, which talks more deeply about converting dates to Arabic by Ali Said, my good friend. Also check out his YouTube channel. He has a video on this topic also right here, as you can see. And yeah, you can go deeper into this. If you have another language, let's say, I don't know, maybe you have a Hebrew date that you want to convert. I haven't built such a solution yet because I haven't needed it. But if you're interested in doing that, please do that and share the resource, and I'll put it into the RTLflow style guide for sure. But yeah, that's essentially a very quick tutorial on converting dates. Anyone who wants to dive deeper into this, they can do that. Let me know. In the next lesson, this is going to be our final lesson for RTLflow. We're going to talk about how to edit secondary local CSS inside of Webflow using attributes. This is going to be a pretty big lesson, a very important one. Once that is done, we're going to have a recap of the whole course, and we're going to build a landing page in English Arabic from scratch. So there's going to be a design, and we'll rebuild from scratch, and I invite you to come with me and build it yourself too, so we can apply all the things that we've learned throughout this course. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.